Okay, so now I'm very happy to introduce our latest innovation in the field of heated sample lines. In my introduction, I mentioned that you have to make a decision. Are you choosing a so-called flexible heated sample line, with a polyamide jacket, or is your choice to go for the extruded heated line with a PVC or TPU jacket? In the past, this was the decision which had to be made. If you look at the characteristics of the different jacket material, it is very clear that the polyamide jacket, even if you use polyamide 12 jacket, this is the jacket material we are using in our lines, the resistance and the lasting of the jackets with PVC or TPU is way longer. So whenever the customer has the chance to choose, you would recommend to go with the extruded heated sample lines. Now the problem in the past has always been, or one disadvantage of this of the extruded line has always been the bending radius. So far, the bending radius of a traditional heated sample line with the extruded jacket is, and I have one example here, is 8 to 10 times of the outer diameter. So you can technically say that 10 times of the outer diameter will be the minimum bending radius. Obviously there is a difference if in the case like this you use a stainless steel tube, or if you use PTFE or PFA tubes, but this rough estimation is nearly always right. So now I'm very happy to present a very new product, which is the latest innovation, and we call this Extruded Flex. As you can see here, the jacket of the Extruded Flex Line looks a little bit similar to the polyamide line. There is a very, which I'm not allowed to tell, there is a very special way how to produce these certain lines. And the big advantage we can show here is that the bending radius by this technology compared to the traditional extrusion technology is reduced up to 50%. Which means with a heated sample line like this, extruded with the extruded jacket in the flex version, it's possible to have a radius of only 5 times the outer diameter. So if you, so that you can believe in this, if you compare this bending radius compared with this bending radius, I think you can clearly see that the bending radius of the flex line is way better. Another big advantage is that the jacket still remains like this. Sometimes when you go with a polyamide jacket in the installation phase, and there's something very sharp, for example the cable tray, you might, in the installation phase, you might hurt the jacket, and then the full line is gone, right? So this is another advantage, that the jacket here is still very plain, and that it's still very robust compared to the other technology. If you look inside, the comparison I made, this is just one single stainless steel tube, and here you will see that we have even 2 tubes with a relatively big diameter. You can tell that the bending radius is way smaller, one very big advantage. Furthermore, it comes with Raychem heating cable, so it is the cut to length technology, meaning you can cut this line on site to the right length, another very big advantage. And if you refer to the other product information video, which was the introduction of the PSG Extruded Ex3 heated line, you might see the video or remember the video. This is the line with a conductive jacket. So we even managed to make this jacket conductive. Okay, let me summarize the advantages of this technology. So far, one of the bigger disadvantages of the extruded heated sample line technology was the bending radius. With this latest innovation, we managed to reduce this, and it is comparable to the bending radius we have with the PSG Flex basic line with the polyamide jacket. So this is another innovation we are very proud of, and if you have any questions or you want to receive a technical and commercial quotation for your specification, please just send us a message and let us know.